Hello, I'm Nurse Elaine for the Computer Children Club. How are you?
I'm fine.
And what's your name?
John Michael P. Marulit.
Oh, very nice name, huh? And how old are you, John Michael? Ilang taon ka na?
Well, I'm 12 years old.
Ah, you're 12 years old. Do you go to school?
Yes.
Where?
I'm grade 7. Muntinlupa National High School, Annex.
Muntinlupa National High School, Annex. Okay. What are your favorite subjects? What are your favorite?
Science and ESP.
Okay, that's good. And what are your favorite food that you like to eat?
Balot and spaghetti.
Ah, that's yummy. And what are your hobbies or sport that you like to play?
Dama and basketball.
That's interesting. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Seaman.
You want to be a seaman? Why? Why do you want to be a seaman?
Help me family.
Okay. You want to help your family. That's a wonderful plan. And okay, do you have a talent that you can show to me?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Wow, very nice. Thank you so much for sharing your talent with me and also your time. This is Nurse Elaine for the Computer Children Club.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.